Hello, it's Mary again, and I'm here for session 3 of putting your tulip quilt together. And we are at the point where we're putting the flower and the leaves together, and then we will put that together in the quilt. So the most important part of putting the leaves and the flower together are to center them so that the bottom of the flower meets the top of the stem, and you can feel where those two seams come together. And we like to use Jean's pins or the IBC pins to make sure that we can pin those exactly where we want to pin them. And we can use our sewing machine and the sewing machine can run right over those pins. They're nice and fine. It shouldn't be a problem. And then we would go ahead and sew across here, and you would end up with your tulip quilt and your tulip and your leaves together. Now I'm going to take you over to the quilts so that you can see how to put, once you get your tulip and your leaves together, then you would put 3 tulips together, and then there's a sashing, 3 tulips, and there's a 2-inch border. And you can put your leaves together any way you'd like. There's a pattern that shows, the leaves going different ways, as you see up here, or you can make them more uniform the way Tanya did in this quilt here. So once you get your sashing and your border on, then you just need to have it quilted and bound. And then for the table runner, you could use your 3 tulips and then put your 2-inch border around, have it quilted and bound, and you're all set for a pretty table runner. Thanks for joining us.